Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're gonna be talking about summer trend predictions, summer trends, things I'll be wearing this summer. I know that a lot of people are starting their shopping for summer vacations, all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to start talking about it now as well. Before we get into this video though, I did want to say thank you so much to Organic Basics for sponsoring. I'm wearing their little baby tee right now, and I also have the bra on underneath it, but you can't even see because it's like so seamless. So this t-shirt is from their Flex Cotton collection. I also have it in white, perfect baby tee, and then so perfect for the summertime, little black tank. And this one, so cute, it says Organic Basics on the back, but you guys know if you watch my channel that I'll wear tank tops backwards to make them high neck, and it'd be so cute to have the little Organic Basics logo up high. I'm so excited to wear these all summer. Like, you cannot go wrong with t-shirts and tank tops paired with any of the things I'm going to talk about. If you guys have never heard of Organic Basics before, they're a carbon neutral Copenhagen based brand creating underwear, active wear, and everyday wear. The clothing is ethically made with organic, recycled, eco-friendly materials. All the Flex Cotton materials are made with certified organic cotton, and they're just super gentle on your skin, like nice fitting, snug if that's something that matters to you, depending on what size you get, obviously. And then I have a few of their undies here as well. This is a little cheeky set, cheeky hot pink. I'm always looking for little boy short underwear. And then this little black pair with some more full coverage. Thank you again to Organic Basics for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to shop the collection or anything from Organic Basics, you can look at the link in my description box. And you guys can also get a 10% discount on anything from Organic Basics with the code LAINEYXOB. Let's talk into summer trends. Okay, first thing is something I've been talking about a little bit on my channel. I guess you could say I've been talking about it because I've been feeling like I'm needing it and I'm missing it from my wardrobe. I don't need anything, but you guys know what I mean. And it's kick flare pants. I really think that everybody talking about skinny jeans coming back and tight, I just don't think we're gonna be seeing jeggings just yet. If we're seeing a summer pant, even a jean, if you're wearing it in the summer, which is kind of hard sometimes if it's too hot, a little printed pant instead of a straight leg, really wide, trouser-esque cut, we're gonna be seeing in a little bit more of a cropped kick flare. And I just think we're gonna see this because we've been seeing the baggy straight leg, honestly, for going on 5 years now, possibly more. I just think a kick flare, and then I'll put inspo pictures, but I just think we're gonna see that before we start seeing the skinny jean and the jegging. We've been seeing straight leg, which just isn't a skinny jean at all. Next thing that I think is gonna be trending this summer is shoes. I think that we're gonna be seeing a lot less sneakers, and people are gonna be wearing more boots and sandals and clogs even. And I think having a fun shoe is such an easy way to spice up an outfit. You can wear jeans and a white t-shirt, tank tops, whatever, really basic clothing, and then add a funky pair of shoes and you're good to go. I talked a little bit on my channel that I think are gonna be trending this summer, or maybe even next summer, are gauchos. I think we're still seeing only influencer first fashion, not tier, but the fashion people who like to try new things early on wearing capris. So I feel like it's still some time until we see the capris trickle down into everyday people wearing them. So I think the next thing that these fashion people are gonna be on are gauchos, which is so silly. But we've really been seeing iterations of the gaucho with the really baggy jorts, and even the kind of tailored suit pant shorts that are again really long. Normally they hit right above the knee, and gauchos hit right below the knee. I have a pair that I found deep in my closet, and I think they're really cute to style in a kind of casual way, opposed to a bike short or a legging yoga pant kind of thing. So I think it's fun. I don't think they're that offensive or, I don't know, crazy. When everybody gets their panties in a twist about capris and gauchos, they're really not that big of a deal. I really like both, and I'll be wearing both this summer. I think they're honestly really easy to style once you find the right shoe, which if you're having troubles with them. With gauchos, I think you can do a sneaker any day. Whether you do a crew sock or an ankle sock is up to you, and play around with that because it can change the look of it a lot. But with capris, kitten heels, sandals, clogs, clogs, honestly, even sneakers, you're good. Okay, next thing is another trend for like jeans. And I guess this moves more towards, I guess, any pants again, and then also shorts, is having the front pocket exposed. These feel like very 70s style jeans and shorts. If they're in a short, honestly, or a jean, it's more likely to be a high-waisted fit, which I have sworn off the high-waisted because low-waisted was obviously a bit more like trendy and felt more like me. But now I like to have a mix. Like, I want options in my closet. I don't want everything to be exactly the same because sometimes I do need a high-waisted pant. I would be down to get a pair of high-waisted shorts with little pockets on the front. It's such a little detail. The thing with something like this is I do think they go out of style. Like, I think if I look back, like not even 5 years ago, I would have kind of like turned my nose at them and not liked them as much, but that's why you keep things in your wardrobe. I feel like we saw them a lot in like 2012, the little pockets on the front, and I'm down to see it again. I think it's cute, an easy little touch that just like adds something. So again, if you're like shopping for shorts or jeans, be on the lookout for something like that. Next thing, pretty 70s inspired, that I think we're gonna be seeing a lot of are halters. I have a little vintage plaid halter top. I must have more. I always think halters are so cute. If you have bigger boobs though, it hurts your neck so bad to like be holding all that weight on your neck. You either have to wear a good bra with them, but then like it doesn't have the same effect. So honestly, I get it. I just suffer through the neck pain because it's too cute to me. But I think halters are such a good way to pair them with something more basic or any like mini skirt, midi skirts. I'm also so into like midi and above the knee skirts for this summer. I like mini still, but I'm more into like a mini dress and then like a midi skirt, and I'm not really into like a maxi skirt anymore. I want them right above the knee or right below them. That's besides the point. Halter tops, so cute, so easy to style because you put it on and it's like the whole outfit. Also, like, that's a true summer piece when it's hot as frick outside. You put that on and it's cute, it's good. Okay, last one is totally a prediction, and it might even just be something that like I like and want to see. Sometimes those make the list and it's like maybe they'll never actually be trendy, but they're cute, so like if you want to do it. If you're dressing up more, ballerinas will wear these like little tutus basically on their upper arms, and it's so beautiful. It's like Swan Lake, the first thing I think of. Maybe Giselle does it as well. They're so feminine and dainty and cutesy. I feel like if you had like a fancier wedding to go to and we're just wearing like an all black dress or just like a one color plain dress and you add these little ballerina arm fluffs, I'm gonna have to find pictures, and like it's gonna be hard to find like pictures sometimes of things that are more actual predictions because like I haven't seen anybody just wear them day to day. And sure, there's like iterations of it and I think those might already be trending, but I want like a true ballerina tutu arm. We'll see what I can find. But I think it's really cute and fun. Maybe it's not so summer, it's more like event wear, and I don't know when I'd ever wear it. I don't think I'll ever get them because I don't go anywhere, but super cute. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to check out Organic Basics and remember to use my code LANEYXOB for 10% off your entire order on Organic Basics. I'll link everything that I showed down below, and that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've got a basketball. Bye.